Hi everyone, welcome to Little One Storytime. My name is Miss Maddy, and today we're going to be reading a story and singing some songs together. My helper, Mr. Puppy, here to help me to show you all of the motions we can do with our little ones at home. So if you're all ready, here we go. We're going to sing our hello song. We clap and sing hello. We clap and sing hello to all our friends at Storytime. We clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello. We wave and sing hello to all our friends at Storytime. We wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello to all our friends at Storytime. We stomp and sing hello. Okay, we're gonna sing 2 more songs before we read our story today. So we're gonna start off with 3 Little Monkeys. Here we go. 3 little monkeys swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, as quiet as can be, and snap that monkey right out of that tree. 2 little monkeys swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, as quiet as can be, and snap that monkey right out of that tree. 1 little monkey swinging in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me, can't catch me. Along comes Mr. Alligator, as quiet as can be, and snap that monkey right out of that tree. Good job, friends. Okay, we're gonna sing our songs. I sing a song with our little ones in hand. Here we go. We're gonna sing, here we go up. Here we go up, up, up. Here we go down, down, down. Here we go backwards. Here we go forwards. Here we go around and around. One more time. Here we go up, up, up. Here we go down, down, down. Here we go backwards. Here we go forwards. Here we go around and around. Good job. Okay, friends, it's time to read our story. Here is my book. I open it wide to see all the pictures that are inside. Today's book is about a snake called Huggy the Python. Hugs too hard. Written by Dyckman. This is Huggy the Python. Huggy loves to hug the things he loves. So many things to love. But sometimes Huggy hugs too hard. Look, Huggy, a balloon. Huggy loves balloons. Now, what color is that balloon? Orange. Now, let's see what he does to the balloon. Gentle, gentle, pop. Oops, you hugged too hard, Huggy. Uh-oh. Look, Huggy. Ice cream. Huggy loves ice cream. Me too. Do you like ice cream? Gentle, gentle, squish. Oops, you hugged too hard, Huggy. Look, Huggy, a fuzzy little dog. Huggy loves fuzzy little dogs. Wait! Can you show Huggy how to be gentle? Can you give the fuzzy little dog a gentle hug? Yeah, let's give it a hug. You did it. Yay! That was a great gentle hug. Your turn, Huggy. Remember, hug a gentle hug. Phew. Just right, Huggy. Aww, a nice gentle hug. What happened to the toothpaste, though? The end. Okay, let's sing one more song before we sing goodbye. Here we go. We're gonna sing Tick Tock with our little ones. Here we go. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Now it's striking 1 o'clock. Cuckoo. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Now it's striking 2 o'clock. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Now it's striking 3 o'clock. Cuckoo, cuckoo, cuckoo. Good job, guys. Okay, it is time to sing goodbye. Here's our goodbye song. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. To all our friends at Storytime, we wave goodbye like this. Bye, guys. I'll see you next time.